British author, writer, and novelist of much influence and significance in the world belonging to the 20th century, George Orwell said, "All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others," meaning all types of species and living organisms and other creations in the world, particularly and generally, have always been equal, equivalent, wise, and just towards one another in one way or another, because everyone is naturally, generally, and intrinsically equal, because they are ultimately God's creations and the universe products in one way or another. So we may actually create a lot of boundaries and distinctions and divisions for our own superiority and arrogance and ignorance, but the thing is, human beings and other living organisms are also equal, not only in themselves but also in their very biology. The fact that they are animals and we are also animals unites us, but the key difference is we are humanity and they are the animal kingdom. But the thing is, all animals are generally equal, but some animals are more equal than the others. So now, obviously, minute differences exist between animals and also between ourselves. But the thing is, at the end of the day, we have to consider the fact that we have to maintain equality, justice, morality, fairness in and within ourselves, because we are equal despite our different colors, backgrounds, nationalities, countries, languages that we have been given or that we generally utilize and speak in our lives, but still we are equal because of our humanity. So we are united by the thread of humanity and we're human beings, and that's why we are equal and similar towards one another, not only in our pursuits, desires, goals, ambitions, but also because of our manly or humanly abilities, such as the capacity for knowledge, wisdom, morality, maturity, intelligence, critical thinking. So all these qualities exist in the human beings in different man in one way or another. So our abilities are the same, talents may be different, but ultimately we have the same biology as the other human beings, the same appearance, just a difference in complexion. So we are equal in one way or another, but the animals are different, and in their difference they are equal to one another. So that's how this whole unity in distinction works. So this is unity and harmony even in the midst of distinction and